everybody, Mike Wilson here. Welcome to my backyard. I want to show you a quick recipe that we can make with some common pantry items and our backyard grill. Today we're going to make a grilled vegetable flatbread using a very simple dough. It's called roti. Its origin is in India, but it's actually used worldwide. Very simple recipe. We have 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2/3 cup water. We're going to mix it with a fork. Keep it nice and loose and crumbly. We'll add a pinch of salt. You'll see it comes together pretty quickly. We're going to turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Flour this, flour our hands. Good reminder, we did scrub in before we did any of this, right? Keeping our hands nice and clean, watching the surfaces we touch. We're going to fold this into itself. And there we go. Take a Ziploc bag and place it inside. We want to chill this at least 45 minutes. It will stay for a couple days because we are not using yeast or any leavens. We have one ready to go that I prepared this morning. All right. So you can see with this size, we're going to get a couple portions out of here. So before we start rolling it, we're going to cut it. Should get about 6 portions out of this. Save those for later. Again, a little bit more flour, keeping your working space nice and smooth. All right. Transfer it onto a nice plate, and onto the grill we go. We start to see some bubbles, and we want that. That's good. Now that we have our base to our flatbread ready, we'll start to assemble. We have some grilled zucchini and grilled red onion. You can use any sort of vegetables you like. I like the nice hearty squash because it does so well on the grill. And the sweetness of the caramelized onion. Very nice touch. Earlier we also made some grilled tomato salsa, like a pico de gallo, cilantro, olive oil, lime juice, and grilled heirloom tomatoes. Pack on those flavors. We got some nice mozzarella cheese, shredded fine. We're going to go back to the grill. It's a great time to utilize that top rack of the grill, so we're not burning the bottom. We're just melting those cheeses and marinating flavors. Here it is, our finished flatbread with grilled vegetables. I'm Mike Wilson. Thanks for joining me in my backyard.